What's up guys, Trail here, better known as Budget Bill, and we typically talk about credit cards and the different rewards and things like that on this channel, but everyone is not always at the same level at the same time when it comes to credit cards. Some people are pretty savvy on how to take the best advantage of having those credit cards on all of their purchases, and then others are just beginners when it comes to credit cards, or even they don't have credit cards or credit established. And that's who I want to target today with this video. Today I'm going to be showing you the top 3 secured credit cards for building and rebuilding credit. And I must start off with 2 very important tips before we get started. Number 1, be sure to use credit cards responsibly. And number 2, be sure to smash that like button. Yes, I'm serious. Right now, go ahead, click on the like button right now. Thank you. Now let's go ahead and jump right into the video. What's up guys, today we are going to be discussing the top 3 secured credit cards for building and rebuilding your credit. A secured credit card offers an opportunity to build or rebuild credit responsibly. With each secured credit card, a refundable security deposit is required to use this credit card. Now, you may think this credit card is similar to a prepaid card, but it's not. A secured credit card actually reports to the 3 major credit bureaus, which in turn provides the opportunity for you guys to build your credit up. Now that we know what a secured credit card is, let's go ahead and jump right into the first credit card we have on our list today, and that credit card is the Amazon Credit Builder credit card. Now, this credit card is by Amazon. You guys are probably already familiar with Amazon because that is where the entire world shops and gets all of their products shipped to their house. But this credit card offers you where you can choose whatever credit limit you want in between the amounts of $100 up to $1,000. Now, yes, as we stated earlier, this secured credit card, you have to deposit a refundable security deposit of the amount of which you want your credit limit to be. And with this credit card, you want to make sure that you make all of your payments on time every month. That is what helps with building your credit. After several months of owning this card and paying your credit card off on time, Amazon or Synchrony Bank, which provides this credit card, will review your account to determine what standing you have and if you're eligible to upgrade to Amazon's next credit card. And that is the goal of why we want to get the secured credit card, so we can eventually build up to where we can actually get a traditional credit card. Now, this credit card is unique because you will receive extra perks and bonuses when you use the secured credit card on Amazon.com. In addition, if you already are a Prime member, you will receive an additional $40 gift card by signing up for this credit card. So that is definitely free money that you receive in your pocket. In addition, you will receive 5% cash back on all your purchases at Amazon.com. Now, this credit card is similar to others as it has a 0 annual fee. Our next credit card we have on the list is the Capital One Secured MasterCard credit card. Now, with this credit card, you can make a refundable security deposit in the amounts of either $49, $99, or $200. And that is what you need to start off with this credit card. And they will give you a credit line of $200. And with this card, similar to others, you can choose whatever due date you want so that you can repay this card back on time. Now, be aware, because the interest rate on this card, if you are not responsible in paying your card off every month, the interest rate is 26.99%. So you definitely want to make sure that you set your alert to pay your credit card off on time. And as always, this credit card has a 0 annual fee. Now we move on to the number 1 credit card, and which is my all-time favorite for building and rebuilding your credit, and that is the Discover It Secured credit card. Now, I think this card is amazing because, as the other cards, you determine what you want your security deposit to be for this credit card, and you need to put it down. But in addition, you will earn 2% cash back on purchases at gas stations and restaurants for the first $1,000 spend of using this credit card. In addition, you will receive an unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. Now, it doesn't stop there. In addition to that, whatever you receive in cash back for the first year, Discover will match all of your cash back for the first year of using this secured credit card. This is free money, guys. Now, similar to the previous card, this credit card has an interest rate of 25.24% if you don't pay your credit card off every month on time. So you definitely want to be responsible and pay the card off, because these interest rates can definitely charge you a lot of money. And as always, this credit card has a 0 annual fee, and this credit card also offers you to receive your free FICO credit score whenever you want to within the Discover It app. So as I stated, this is definitely my #1 credit card on the list, but all 3 of these credit cards are definitely great for you to build or rebuild your credit. Now, my advice for all of these secured credit cards is for you to make purchases every month in the amount of $200 and then replenish those credit cards with the $200 back before the due date. By doing this, this will be enough to get good standing and increase your chances of building up your credit, in addition to one day advancing over into acquiring an actual traditional credit card. That's all you have to do. Make $200 per month on these cards, and that will be enough to get the advancement to a traditional credit card. Now, after several months of making your payments on time and not missing a payment and not receiving any interest fees on these cards, they will review your account, they will review your standing and all of that stuff, and determine whether you are eligible to upgrade to the traditional credit card by that company. And that is our main objective of acquiring these secured credit cards. And if you are successfully able to upgrade to the traditional credit card, they will be gladly to refund you your security deposit that you initially gave them for your secured credit card. Now, if you have any questions, be sure to go ahead and comment down below, as I try to answer every question that is submitted. In addition, if you ignored me earlier and you did not click on that like button, this is your last chance to smash that like button down below. Go ahead right now. I'll wait for you. Thank you, I appreciate it. And if you like what we do on this channel and you would like to see more, be sure to click on the subscribe button down below, as well as the red bell next to it, so you can be notified every time I upload new content to this channel. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you on the next video.